Watch this ROS2 robot dodge obstacles in real time, with no map, no path planner, just a Lidar and a few lines of Python. We start by launching the simulation. The launch file starts Gazebo, spawns the robot, bridges the ROS topics, and fires up the obstacle avoider node after a 5-second delay. This is called reactive navigation. Instead of building a map and planning a path, the robot reads its Lidar every 1/10 of a second and immediately steers away from whatever is closest. We split the 360-degree Lidar scan into 5 sectors: front, front left, front right, left, and right. For each sector, we find the minimum distance to the nearest obstacle. Then we pick a behavior. Cruise means nothing nearby, drive forward. Steer means something is approaching, slow down and turn proportionally. Avoid means an obstacle is directly ahead, do a sharp turn. And recover means we are too close, reverse and spin out. Watch the robot navigate the arena. It cruises forward, detects obstacles, and smoothly steers around them. The world has pillars, crates, an L-shaped wall, and a narrow passage to test different avoidance scenarios. The steering is proportional. The robot compares left side and right side free space, and turns harder when the imbalance is larger. This gives smooth curves instead of jerky binary switches. If the robot gets too close to an obstacle, it enters recovery mode, reversing and spinning for 1.5 seconds before resuming. Full code is on GitHub, link in the description. Subscribe for more ROS2 tutorials.